This video demonstrates how to access and review motion history to quickly find specific events within Blaze. To view your cameras, go to the View section. Double-click the camera to view its history. In the top right, select Motion. In the Motion section, you'll see events for the last 12 hours by default. Adjust this as needed by clicking on the time settings or using one of the defaults at the bottom. Then click the checkmark to apply. This will filter events by the time frame you specified. To view a clip, click on it. You can also use the Select Area option to filter videos by a specific zone. Click Select Area, then click and drag to select the motion area on the screen. This will show events in that zone during the time frame specified. Scroll through and click to play your clip.